Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this particular session, we are going to talk each and every detail about CPS PG admission process for multiple states. I will talk about the eligibility criteria, who are the candidates eligible for CPS PG, what are the recognized courses and why it's important to go for the recognized courses only, fee structure for government colleges, government hospital and private hospital management quota seats. We will also see the process, how you can go ahead with the counseling process, and how big is the opportunity that CPS provides you, and what are the pros and cons. So be with me in this video until end if you want to know each and everything about the CPS PG admission process and all the other factors. Before that, if you are new to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe the channel. Click on the bell button. You like the video, if you like the content, because it takes so much effort from our side to get all the information, and based on our experience we analyze the information and provide it to you. In the description you can find some important ebooks related to DNB, open state, all open state data, last year cutoff, tuition fee, seat matrix is there. You can find the ebook for deemed university, so you can go ahead and download it. It will be very helpful for your counseling process and want to get knowledge about particular state and counseling process. In the description also I have given the telegram group. You can join the telegram group and you can put your questions. You can expect to get answer from NEET Mentor as well as the candidates who are in the telegram group. So let's get started. Starting from which are the state where you can do CPS course. CPS Mumbai, CPS course is also provided by Gujarat, CPS Rajasthan, CPS Madhya Pradesh, CPS Chhattisgarh and CPS Odisha. So these are the 6 states where you have CPS courses available. In this particular video I will talk more about CPS Mumbai. So CPS Mumbai, in CPS Mumbai we will see what are the courses are available and how you can go ahead and take admission in those hospitals and get your degree even though you have not secured good rank. So how the counseling process goes on. First, the counseling process will start for all India quota, where you will participate for deemed universities and central universities, like DU, BHU and all, and 50% state government colleges seats. Then for each and every state they will start the notification for state-wise counseling process. So this counseling process is for MD, MS and diploma degree. You will have the opportunity to participate in DNB counseling process also. But usually it happens for CPS and FCPS courses, the notification comes at very later point of time. By that point of time, either the candidates are not very aware about CPS, what opportunity you have there and in what rank you can get the seat, or candidates are very much demotivated if they couldn't get a seat during the ongoing counseling process. So it's very important to know and plan about CPS well ahead. If you want any kind of like dedicated one-to-one personalized counseling process or service, then NEET Mentor provides you the such kind of services. Starting from day one you avail the service until the counseling process or any kind of opportunity is still exist for you. For NEET PG 2021 we will be with you and will guide you through entire process to get a seat where you get satisfaction and based on your dream branch and tuition fee. So coming about the CPS courses, DGO, DGO, DCH, DPV, D Ortho, DMRE, DDV, DOMS, DORL, TDD, DA, DPM, DGM, DGS, DTMH, DTM, DPH and DFP. So these are all CPS courses. all are not recognized. So, and what are the FCPS courses? There are 10 FCPS courses: FCPS medicine, FCPS gynae, FCPS surgery, FCPS ophthal, FCPS dermat, FCPS pathology, FCPS child health, child, FCPS ORL, FCPS anesthesia, and FCPS ortho. Out of various diploma courses offered by CPS, which is equivalent to other degrees because they are MCI recognized diploma. So what are the recognized CPS diploma courses? DGO, DCH, and DPB. These three diploma courses comes under CPS are recognized. So if you come from any state other than Maharashtra, still you are eligible to participate in CPS Mumbai counseling process. Talking about CPS Gujarat, CPS Madhya Pradesh and all, Rajasthan, Odisha and all, Chhattisgarh, the candidate who have done their MBBS from those states or they are domiciled, depending on the state, they have different rules. So if you are domicile of that state or you have done the MBBS from that state, then only you are eligible to participate for other states CPS counseling. But for CPS Mumbai, those candidates who have done their MBBS from Maharashtra, or they are Maharashtra domicile candidates, or they are not Maharashtra domicile, neither they have done their MBBS from Maharashtra, still they are eligible to participate in CPS Mumbai. That's why CPS Mumbai is very important. Even if you come from Uttarakhand or Karnataka, you have done your MBBS from Karnataka and you are Karnataka domicile, still you are eligible to participate for CPS Mumbai. That's why CPS is very important. CPS Mumbai counseling process is very important for NEET PG 2021 aspirant. And you have to know complete information so that nobody misguides you. And these are the three courses. Once you do CPS in one of these courses, DGO, DCH, DPB, then you are eligible to practice in any other state because these are recognized. And if you do CPS in any other course, then you have to practice within Maharashtra. So that's a restriction. That's why recognized course is very much important if you are going for CPS. Talking about FCPS degree which are recognized in Mumbai. So FCPS medicine, FCPS pathology, FCPS surgery, FCPS dermat and gynae. So these five are and FCPS ophthalmology. So these six are recognized if you want to go for FCPS. So now I think you are clear about the course, which course you should go for if you want to practice in your own state and you don't come from Maharashtra, you haven't done MBBS from Maharashtra. So that's the difference between recognized and permitted. So you must choose recognized course if you come from other than Maharashtra state, and you can choose for any other course if you come from Maharashtra, you have done MBBS from Maharashtra, then you can choose because you can stay in your home state and can practice there. See, the course which is not recognized, it can get recognized later point of time in coming years, or the course which is recognized, it might get permitted in the coming years. So it keep on changing, it's not like fixed. Now talking about the eligibility criteria. Okay, so CPS decides a cutoff with the approval of MCI, and the candidates coming under those that cutoff are eligible to participate. But if you want to go with the counseling process, there is one question which comes to mind of any candidate who is going for CPS, whether NEET qualification, you have to be NEET qualified in order to participate for CPS FCPA courses. It's not mandatory. Later point of time, at the later stage of the counseling, they allow those students also who are not qualified depending on the number of seats. So NEET qualified candidates can only participate in the counseling process, and non-qualified NEET candidates may take admission for non-recognized courses. For recognized courses, they allow only NEET qualified candidates to participate. And for the because in non-recognized courses, the seat remains vacant until the last round of the counseling process. That's why they allow those candidates who haven't qualified NEET. But it varies time to time. But still you have option to get admission into CPS if you are not qualified in NEET. Candidate completed MBBS from Maharashtra or having domicile are eligible to participate for the counseling for government hospital. There are two types of hospitals in CPS. It's a similar course as DNB, and it is done from hospitals, not from medical colleges. If you wish to take admission into government hospitals, then you have to fulfill this criteria. Either you have completed your MBBS from Maharashtra, or you should have domicile in Maharashtra. Candidate have completed MBBS from Maharashtra or having a domicile are eligible for government seats in private college. So talking about what are the different seats in private colleges. See, in government college there is one type of seat, that is government seat. But in private colleges there are three types of seats. One is government quota, other is management quota, or you can call it institutional quota also. So in government hospital all seats under merit quota, and in private institutional hospitals there are two types of seats: merit quota, that is called government seat in private hospitals, and other types of seat is institutional quota. What is the difference? Difference is only the fee structure. I will tell you what is the fee structure in later part of the video. So coming to the fee structure, CPS fee structure in private hospitals. For particular DGO branch, for merit quota the fee structure is 4.5 lakhs per year, and for institutional quota is 9 lakhs per year. For DCH, merit quota fee is 4.5 lakhs per year, and institutional quota fee is 9 lakhs per year. DPB is 1.5 lakhs per year for merit quota and 3 lakhs per year for institutional quota. You can see it's double for DGU and DCH in institutional quota, and DPB is also double. D ortho, the fee is 1.5 lakhs per year for merit quota in private colleges, and for institutional quota seat is 3 lakhs per year. DMRE, that is radio branch, is 4.5 lakhs per year in merit quota and 13.5 lakhs per year, that is 3 times. For radio and derma, the fee is 3 times in institutional quota compared to merit quota, but for any other branch is just double. So you can get an idea about the fee structure. For the merit seat in private college, the fee structure is X lakhs per year. Then for these two branches, radio and derma, the fee structure will be 3x, and for other branches it will be 2x, 2 times and 3 times. So this is the fee structure. Talking about the fee structure for FCPS degree course in private hospitals. Why we are talking about private hospitals? Because the tuition fee in government hospital is very less. For FCPS medicine, merit quota fee is 6.5 lakhs per year, and you already know who are eligible for merit quota and who are eligible for institutional quota. FCPS medicine 6.5 lakhs per year for merit quota and 3 times of it, that is 19.5 lakhs per year in institutional quota. Gynae 6.5 in merit quota. So for all the branches the merit quota fee is same, 6.5 lakhs per year, and in institutional quota the fee is for medicine is 3 times, for dermat is 3 times, and for any other branches it's just double. Okay, clear? For FCPS merit quota fee is 6.5 lakhs per year, and institutional quota for medicine and dermat is 3 times, and for any other branch is just 2 times. So that's fee structure. Okay, one more thing. If you have good rank, then you can easily get admission in CPS Mumbai. There are multiple phases. First round, second round, third round, that is also called mop-up round, and stay vacancy round. Even you don't have a good rank, you stand a chance to get your dream branch here, dream branch out of recognized branches. And the fee structure is also not very high compared to other private colleges, where the fee is 30 lakhs 35 lakhs per year for radio, dermat, medicine, all other branches. So if you keep CPS FCPS as an option, the advantage you get, you can get your dream branch in not a good rank. You can get your dream branch not in a very high fee. So both the advantage you are getting. You can get branch even if you don't have good rank, you still can get your dream branch in lesser fee compared to other private colleges. So FCPS must be an option for you. And if you are not very confident about the process, and you want the surety to get admission, so you can avail our paid services. In the paid services, we will guide you step by step how you can proceed to get admission into good college in Maharashtra. Even if you come from Gujarat, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, MP and Odisha, and then also you can avail our paid services, so that you get an idea how you can get a seat. Okay, so that's it from my side. If you have any question, or I couldn't cover anything that you wanted to cover in this video, you can ask in the as a question in the comment section of the video. So thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye, take care.